World Suicide Prevention Day observed in Imphal, suicide prevention strategies increase. And 10th Foundation Day of Indira Gandhi National Tribal University celebrated. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving. Now the news in details. 17th World Suicide Prevention Day was observed at Indian Medical Association Hall, Lamfelpat, Imphal. The program was organized by National Mental Health Program, State Health Society, National Health Mission, Manipur in collaboration with Indian Psychiatric Society, Manipur. According to World Health Organization, the number of countries with national suicide prevention strategies has increased in the last 5 years, which the publication of WHO's first global report on suicide. But the total number of countries with strategies at just 38 is still too far few, and governments need to commit to establishing them. The most common methods of suicide are hanging, pesticide self-poisoning, and firearms. Key interventions that have shown success in reducing suicides are restricting access to means, educating the media on responsible reporting of suicide, implementing programs among young people to build life skills that enable them to cope with life stresses, and early identification, management, and follow-up of people at risk of suicide. On 10 September in WHO, in collaboration with global partners, the World Federation for Mental Health, the International Association for Suicide Prevention, and United for Global Mental Health is launching the 40 Seconds of Action campaign. The culmination of the campaign will be on World Mental Health Day, 10 October, the focus of which is also suicide prevention this year.
Suicide is prevalent in all the age group hai ko chahi di masdana adu khwaidagi common oiba budi hoi 30 to 45 years ni hai certain kano da finding da pitribi goina ni se manipur goina di karamba chahi da khwaidagi leige hai basi makti aingon da hojik makti data leijade adu bu akhoina thengna bada even less than 10 years ta bau thengnai ba angang suicide ki manipur da ko sahi nauraga sudum to ya ba aduga yanna luri badi 15 to 24 years ki age group se saisa second leading cause of death oire ba pitribi gi oina ado koi manipur gi oina di khara kupna koi data na sing ba hai ba koi na panjari ba data sing se koi with evidence scientific kaino ne ado manipur gi oina su masi ta sengna karamba chahi group na khwai digi yanna tawi hai bana jing base koi na medical college sing dagi lokat pa koi gi data sing dagi ngadi oiba yada bani na hai badi mayam amadi lot laga leibani na community da akoi community survey na sing ba research na sing ba tawraga aseng ba data do di puthok pa darkar lai hujing makisimak lai hai badi ngamde
Manipur gi su adum worldwide ki oina ko gi thoiba percentage series da adum lei akoi gi whole India gi oina keno 15 per 1 lakh lei ko gi Manipur gi su dum wangi koina survey da about 14% gumba lei haibadi yam wang graban number amani masigi se aduna Manipur da su achoba samasya amani maduna koina masi observe to busi yam darkar oina tawse
yakoi Manipur gi population si 1% di mental health problem lai na 1% amana yakoi gi mental disorder lai basi matakta 2 to 3% di yakoi gi epilepsy lai adi 1% mental retardation si yakoi 1% lai aduga 25,000 to 30,000 se masidi yakoi na drug abuses koi gi heroin gumba kari mase koi season masi koi myam changdana masi gi drug abuses se thingodrabadi anytime mohi mental changes se laktana moi suicide ki tendency si masi yam lakali maduna masi 100% preventable mental disease ne and sama da sama ngang thok pa yai and koina matam sana mental illness se ya koina matam sana treatment tok thoraba well equipped hosan da phajana koina treatment tok thoraba adu ya koi masi thingba ngamgani aduna mental health asi phatragadi koi good health asi oiba ngamde masina koina mental health sina khwadi apaba mental health ki mapangan amani habsa ai haijaning
10th Foundation Day of Indira Gandhi National Tribal University was celebrated at the Library Hall of IGNTU RCM, Kangpokpi District, Manipur. The celebration was attended by Administrator of Manipur University, Jarnail Singh, and presided by Professor Prasanna K. Samal, Dean of Tribal Studies, IGN Tribal University, Amarkantak. A souvenir was also released as part of the Foundation Day celebration by the dignitaries. Director of Manipur Campus, Dr. N.G. Ngalengam, acknowledged the Vice-Chancellor, Professor T.V. Katimani, for encouraging and supporting the initiatives of the Manipur campus. On the occasion, Jarnail Singh emphasized on the need to expand the IGN Tribal University Manipur campus by opening more departments and also to increase the existing seats to accommodate more students. He stressed on the high ratio between the number of graduates passing out every year from different colleges of Manipur and the number of seats available for higher education in Manipur. Students of Manipur campus performed various cultural programs as part of the celebration. Manipur Social Audit Agency (MSAA) has conducted the Social Audit Gram Sabha of Nachau Gram Panchayat, Bishnupur under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme and AMP Pradhan Mantri Gramin Awas Yojana Gramin 2018-19 at the local community hall of Upokpi yesterday. KH Kula chaired the gathering where Zilla Parishad member, ward members and job card holders of the area were present. Nachau Zilla Parishad member TH Dilip Meitei, District Nodal Officer S. Sham, Pradhan N. Jadumani, ward members, Block Divisional Officer of Bishnupur Community Development Block, K. Jadumani and officials of District Rural Development Agency also attended the program. Social Auditor of the district, T.H. Panchakumar, said that many job card holders are not getting the full benefits of MGNRGS.
ngasi aigoi ngasi na so gram panchayat sida pangtholi ba ngasi gi social audit gram sabha se maru iba pandam de 19 da thada kiwa aigoi gi narega amadi aigoi gi PMA na yumsaron gi thabak thoram sing ase niyom sumna season naribra natragana Suriba Tabaktu Prajara, Tangai na Kanava Fangbra Fangdabra Habdo Equingasi, Equinangasi Social Audit in the Mitaruni Sumna, Mapam Sida Masigi, Nacho GPC de Equi, Satazabani, Hariba Chatari Batabasi, Equina, Praja Sing Dagi, Complain Kia Lokalaga, Haribudungasi, Social Audit Gram Sabasida. Tengarako findings mayam do koi ngasi miyam da pathoga khana nei nabagi saurba ngasi ekoi ngasi mayam ya pam de complain du gi tanja do ngasi gi gram sabha sina koi logjabani aduga hariba complain ji gi makha pona ekoi na report che koi na kano tor matung da lokalaba matung da ekoi na kana gum na ekoi na 30 days ki matam koi action taken gi matam ji da pigini kari gum ma si da pi basi da moina hariba thaba walami bana tragna yum saba lo shandab taraga di ekoi madu paisa hoina madu recover tokjagani masi aigoi ngasi gram sabha sida jo koi resolution lomina na bagi damak maru eba tanja do ngasi.
A 3-day students induction program was kicked off yesterday at the multipurpose hall of Eskula Women's College. The event was organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell. The program includes talent hunt, motivational talks, sports, cultural performances, and many more. President of governing body of the college, and Ibomcha Singh, former president of Bishnupur District Congress Committee, S. Buddha Chandra, nodal officer DELD and head of Department of Education, M. Surjit Singh, head clerk of K.L. Kulachandra Kuman, coordinator of IQAC, and HOD Human Rights Dr. Androy Kumar were present during the program. Dr. L. Mohendro said that the program will enhance awareness about the system and rules of the college before the new academic session commences. Let's have a short commercial break. Stay tuned. Coming up next, members of Kokching runners remove plastic wastes thrown and left along the route of Kokching World War II Memorial Run 2019.
Hello Food Express na adom-adom mata manghandana home delivery tawbagi khudongchaba pijari. Ngasimak hojingmak adom gi mobile da click ani khak nabiduna Hello Food Express ki apps asibu hapchinbiu. Apps asigi matengna adom gi apamba chaningba chanaba makhalsing anakpa amadi arapada leiriba Manipur gi apamba hotel singdagi mahau leina chabiyo
atenba matamgi manungda apamba sanaba makhalsing Hello Food Express na vijariba home delivery ki khudongchab silobi.
Hello Food Express, your favorite food delivery.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi maho khangla bada ngauroi do kana bu lei bagi kangla.
Welcome back after the break. Members of Kaching runners removed plastic wastes thrown and left along the route of the Kaching World War II Memorial Run 2019, which was held on September 8. During the plastic waste cleanliness drive, advisor of Kaching runners, Naurem Munal, said that the drive was conducted to remove water bottles, ORSL bottles, juice bottles and other waste which were left on the route of Kaching World War II Memorial Run. He added that the step conveys the message of a healthy society, which is the motto of Kaching runners.
Health hazard ki number 1 ni hani yanarabanina aikoi ki motto Kaching runner gi for a healthy society sida aikoina chai thoktuna leraga di madu amangba mo yeni khanjana aikoi ngasi member singa aikoina sen giba kilometer nipan amadi kilometer kunmunga gi whole route sida leiba plastic singa du khundok sabani aikoina parja singda plastic ki amangba aikoi chairaga na machi sahi lising ani yona pumda patta pumda daba aduga muk mai thagana hakchang de am sonba highly cancerous oiba dioxin thonba chingba chi prajada khangan bagi pandam sida aikoi ngasi Kaching runner na haiba plastic lokhatpagi khongjam aikoi gi aikoina run tawbi matung asida luba nanba ama oiba haibi sida ko changchin.
The Deputy Commissioners of Churachandpur, Kangpokpi, Kamjong, Perzol and Senapati officially launched the 7th Economic Census at their respective districts in Manipur on Monday. Deputy Commissioner Samorjit Salam of Senapati District launched the program at the DC Conference Hall in Senapati Town, while Deputy Commissioner Pawan Yadav of Churachandpur District launched the same at Churachandpur Town. The Senapati DC appealed to all the stakeholders concerned to participate in the operation wholeheartedly and extend maximum cooperation to the enumerators that the data thus collected serve this purpose meaningfully. US President Donald Trump has again offered to help India and Pakistan despite a meeting between Trump and Prime Minister Narendra Modi last month, in which both the world leaders agreed that Kashmir was a bilateral matter between the two countries with no scope for third-party mediation. Last month, when Prime Minister Modi visited France as a special invitee for the G7 summit, he spoke to Trump on the sidelines and discussed the Kashmir issue. The two leaders issued a statement and both agreed that Kashmir will be left to India and Pakistan to deal with, while Article 370 is an internal matter for India. Hours after the bonhomie between Trump and Modi at the G7 summit became evident, along with the no mediation stand, Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan issued a nuclear threat to India. During a meeting with visiting Imran Khan in July, Trump had offered to mediate between the two countries on the issue of Kashmir. Trump had for the first time offered to mediate in the matter after his meeting with Imran Khan. He also went on to make a starting claim that even Prime Minister Modi had earlier asked him to help solve the dispute. However, coming under attack by the opposition, the Modi government issued a statement and rejected Trump's claims to say that Prime Minister Modi had never asked for any such help from Trump. And now for another short break, do stay tuned.
AIYF Manipur State Council na sinjaduna
lamyanba luchingpurel hijam irawat the tribute tawjaba
kunmari raksuba state level jananeta hijam irawat saithai se changdamnaba pangthok jaragan category ani thokna khaidok jai junior amasung senior category
form thajan bagi aroiba numitna
18 September 2019 date of competition 22nd September 2019 mafamna JN Manipur Dance Academy Imphal
competition asigi form pampamna
AIYF office irawat Bhavan group Mahalteng Imphal
Manipuri gi sejak pisingna form amtang lobiduna
masida upcoming singer singna saruk yabiyo
aduga masigi competition asi inkhalaliba sejak singidi amna soba platform ama oidini
manipur gi nongle inkhalak libi singna saruk yabiyo
kunmari raksuba state level jananeta hijam irawat saithai se changdamna
Nupani kaina kumai rau za atek pubide leishari ngai dana aduda puniga dahada puniga
ngasi de keno
yare nung phadoksu koi pubibedo akhoi di phangjadrabani
ngai khone ai wasisu yam nungai pawni ne ahum lak suba langbal kaithel pangthok kadori
ajidi kaida
hapta kan jimuda
asengwira
mani
DS Enterprises kaisam thongna khodol tamliba ahum lak suboina pangthok kadoriba langbal kaithel Meet the Star Fashion Show Dance Competition Tapta Night Musical Night amadi angang singidamakta oina Disneyland item na singba kaya na miyamda kumay oihangadoriba ahum suba langbal kaithel
adidi yam nungai ni
adi miyamdo nangonda ne yengba chalusena ne haige toriba
Welcome back. Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga on Monday urged Union Home Minister Amit Shah to exclude the northeastern states from the purview of the citizenship bill. Zoramthanga, who addressed the 4th Northeast Democratic Alliance conclave in Guwahati on Monday, did not elaborate his reasons for excluding 8 northeastern states from the purview of the CAB. However, he remarked all political parties that have supported the contentious bill are on the verge of committing suicide. The Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, also known as CAB, seeks to grant Indian citizenship to non-Muslim immigrants from Bangladesh, Pakistan and Afghanistan who had entered India due to religious persecution. However, the bill was vehemently opposed by most of the regional political parties, students and other organizations from the northeastern region. A retired Indian Air Force officer from Assam has committed suicide on Sunday. The matter came to light on Monday. The retired officer, in a suicide note, blamed former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram for the financial mess in the country as well as his own household. The former IAF officer from Assam addressed the suicide note to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The retired officer, identified as Bijan Das, hailed from Mangaldoy town in Assam's Darang district. He killed himself at a hotel in Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj. According to reports in a 4-page suicide note, 55-year-old Das held corruption during UPA regime and policies of former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram responsible for the current economic slowdown. UN Human Rights Chief Michelle Bachelet has brought up the NRC issue in her opening statement at the 42nd session of the UN Human Rights Council in Geneva. Late on Monday, she asked India to ensure that none of those excluded from Assam's NRC exercise is rendered stateless. She did not elaborate, but analysts say Bachelet has made it clear that the UN expects India to continue to provide them with voting rights protection from harassment by law enforcing agencies and refrain from any attempt to push them out of India. This assumes significance in view of Union Home Minister Amit Shah's repeated assertions that not one Gushap illegal infiltrator will be allowed to stay on. Sources in Geneva say that the UN Human Rights Council is planning to send a special delegation to India to look into the situation in both Kashmir and Assam. Now let's go through some of the local daily newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, UNC Iterans Naga integration call again. Amit Shah aborts talk on power struggle. Amit Shah at NEDA mid. Not just Assam, intend to expel illegal immigrants from entire country. Dessam backs SGDCM's demand. The People's Chronicle. Citizenship bill won't affect Northeast people's rights, says Saha. The cutoff date for granting citizenship under CAB will be December 31st, 2014 and not beyond that. Biren bids for NRC in state. CAB will change demography of Northeast, says Rio. Konard appeals to Saha on CAB fear. JAC demands arrest of killers. Councillor defends victim. 14 suicides in state this year. 5 attempts failed. Amit Saha meets Chief Minister. 4 MLAs as political crisis persists. Imphal Free Press. Manipur cabinet has decided to implement NRC, says Chief Minister. POSCO misused, says rights activist. RIMS directed to push for upgradation of RIMS to AM's stature at Board of Governors meet. Naga bodies demands acknowledgement of Naga national flag and constitution. The Morning Bell will approach Center for implementation of NRC in state, says Chief Minister Biren. Attacks Congress for divide and rule policy. Citizenship bill won't affect Northeast people's rights, says Amit Saha. Implement 7th UGC pay by September 23rd of first year. Fegokta warns government. Veteran journalist Lalmingliana no more. IPR Minister condoles. Manipur Mail. Development agenda of Northeast region presented at Northeastern Council. Burning down of village condemned. Fegokta sets September 23rd deadline demanding adoption of 7th pay. People ask me why I have been arrested in INX media, says P. Chidambaram.
Before we wind up, the headlines once again. Seventh World Suicide Prevention Day observed in Imphal. Suicide prevention strategies increase. And 10th Foundation Day of Indira Gandhi National Tribal University celebrated. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.